Hello, everyone. It is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and from Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing. How you doing? I'm here to do another line dance, and the name of the line dance is Marsha and Soul Line Dancing Freaky Boots. The song is The Boots. The artist is Big Yayo. The featuring Omar Cunningham. The choreographer is Marsha. Guys, I want to personally invite you to the NOLA Southern Experience Line Dance Weekend in New Orleans, July 22nd through the 25th, 2021. Please visit my website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. I'll leave it in the description box below. Go and read about the whole entire itinerary. Registration opens June 1st, 2020. So check that out. 4-day weekend theme party, line dance workshop, line dancing for hours. Okay, we're gonna have a blast. So now this next line dance, I'm telling you, this is my second recording because the first time I was dancing, I was recording and like I need my boots. So I'm telling you right now, you need to go get your boots. Put your boots on for this one, okay? It's Marsha and Soul Line Dancing, Freaky Boots, and let's get busy.
Hey, yo, Omar, what's happening? Listen, me and my old lady got a nice situation, but ain't nothing wrong with changing up every now and then. Yeah, I got the same kind of situation, man. Ain't never nothing wrong with changing up, you know what I'm saying? So this is what I went to her with. Listen, see me, I was in my car on 55, thinking about what to do to keep the bedroom light. on. I wanna do some freaky things tonight. I'ma keep my boots on, keep my boots on, keep your boots on, keep your boots on.
Hey! All right, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.